Hey, it's Paul with rackattack.com, here to show you the Thule roof rack fit for the 2018 and beyond Kia Stinger. So this system comprises three components. You have the WingBar Evo load bars, set of two, offered in either silver or black, and then the Thule Evo clamp foot pack, set of four, and then the complete vehicle-specific fitting kit designed specifically for this Kia Stinger. So let me show you up close some of these features in detail. So starting with the fitting kit includes a set of rubberized metal door frame brackets and molded rubber base pads, both of which have numbers that are assigned to them to correspond with the printed instruction sheet, telling you exactly where they fit onto the vehicle. Next, you have the WingBar Evo load bars. So the load bars, here's a segment of it to give you an overall look and up close cross section so you can see how it has a very sophisticated box beam construction. That construction gives it excellent rigidity and stiffness. Also, the shape provides great aerodynamic performance, meaning low wind noise and low wind drag. So this design has an end cap which opens to allow access into the slotted rubber top portion to allow for attachment of certain accessories directly into the bar. And then there's also, if I pull off this end cap, you can see that there's a slot on the bottom side, and that's the part in which the foot pack engages into the bar. There's also a slide scale, and that slide scale corresponds with scale numbers included with the manual to indicate exactly where the foot engages. So let's go ahead and demonstrate that. So here is the foot itself. So the foot has a cover which we can temporarily remove. And then we can go ahead and attach simply by pressing the door frame bracket into the assembly. It snaps into place. And then on the underside here, we have a base plate in which the base pad connects. So you just press down around the perimeter to get a good secure connection for that. And so that's the assembly of one of your feet for the fit kit. Now, in order to attach the foot pack to the bars, you'll notice that there are these silver tabs. So when you press in the silver tab, it allows you to engage the foot onto the bar. Next, you also have a rubber insert to make sure that there's nowhere on the bar where there's not an open gap. That enables the best possible aerodynamics. Okay, and then we attach the end cap just by simply pressing that into place, as you see there. So Thule also includes a unique wrench design that has a built-in clutch mechanism. So as you tighten onto the vehicle, this handle will click, indicating it's been fully tightened. Okay, then next we have the cover, and so that gives it a clean, finished look, as you see, and then you would just turn that a quarter turn to engage that cover. Now there is an option to replace this plastic plug, and that can be replaced with a metal lock cylinder. So that metal lock cylinder will replace that plastic plug and give you a very effective theft deterrent for this rack system. Okay, so those are all the key features and a quick overview of the Thule WingBar Evo base roof rack system for the Kia Stinger. We have a complete install video for this rack from start to finish. We'll link that to in the product description, as well as a link to this completely pre-configured rack system on rackattack.com to make it very simple to purchase. Okay, so those are all the key features, and thanks for watching.